Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to arrange questions in Google Forms. Whether you're creating surveys, quizzes, or feedback forms, organizing your questions properly can make your forms much easier for respondents to follow, and it also helps keep your data neat, structured, and ready for analysis. Ready to take control of your form layout? Let's get started. First, open your Google Forms and navigate to the form you want to edit. Once you're there, make sure you're in edit mode so that all your questions are visible and ready to be rearranged. Follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. This is key to keeping your form organized. Next, hover over the question you want to move. You'll notice a small icon with 6 dots appear to the left of the question. This is your drag handle. Click and hold on these dots, then simply drag the question to the desired position within your form. Release your mouse button, and your question will now appear exactly where you want it. You can repeat this process for any other questions you want to move. It's really as simple as dragging and dropping, and it gives you full control over your form's layout. To make the process even smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure all your questions are fully written and formatted before moving them. Doing this beforehand prevents confusion and ensures you don't accidentally overwrite content while rearranging. Also, consider grouping similar questions together to maintain a logical flow. This makes it much easier for respondents to complete the form quickly and accurately. Once you've rearranged your questions, take a moment to review your form. Scroll through in preview mode to double-check the sequence and make sure it's intuitive for respondents. This little extra step ensures a professional look and smooth experience for anyone filling out your form. After that, you're ready to share it with your audience. Click on the Publish button to email the form, or copy the shareable link so others can access it directly. You can even embed it in a website if needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to arrange your questions in Google Forms quickly and efficiently, making your surveys and quizzes more organized, professional, and user-friendly. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be creating forms. Why not make someone's day easier and more productive?